Hey guys, we are back with the press handstand today and how to partner spot a press handstand. Theo's here, he's going to demonstrate for us. He has awesome handstands, so he's a perfect demo. So we're going to show you how to properly partner spot the press handstand and also what not to do. So first, as you partner spot your handstand, you want to make sure you're supporting them from the shoulders and also from the hips. A common mistake is that they go too far over their hands and they try to open up their hips too fast. So not getting up at all. So I'll show you how not to partner spot your press handstand here. So Theo's gonna go too far over. I'm not spotting his shoulders, and then he opens up his hips too soon, and I can't even help him up if I tried because it's too much weight going backwards. So the proper way you wanna go into this is my knees are gonna come here, spot his shoulders, but make sure you still give him room to go over his wrist a little bit as you need to in your press. When I grab his hips, I'm gonna make sure his hips are rotating to where his hips, shoulders, and wrists are in line. Then he can bring his feet together. So grabbing his waist, supporting his weight, letting his hips, shoulders, and feet all in line. He's a beautiful handstand. And then as you grab his waist, just making sure he stays in line. You don't pull him forward or back, letting his hips rotate and his feet come back close to his hands. Now, another very common mistake when spotting this skill is that you pull your partner too far over, and pushes them into a plank and throws them completely out of line with their handstand. So let me show you that. So if you pull too far, it goes very difficult for the poor handstand balancer. That pushes you way over your shoulders. You can't support yourself anymore and you end up collapsing into your spotter. So I hope that was helpful. Be careful when spotting this drill. Go slow, focus on that hip rotation and lifting through the hips, not pulling them forward or back, focusing on keeping the hips, shoulders, and wrists in line as much as possible. So great job, Theo. We'll hope to see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe this video.
Bye-bye.